champions we are.
And the viewers, in fact, Prime Minister Modi has spoken to the Indian cricket team on the phone today and congratulated the entire team. The Prime Minister also congratulated Rohit Sharma for his splendid captaincy and appreciated his T20 career. He also lauded Virat Kohli for his innings in the final, as well as his contribution to the Indian cricket. In fact, the Prime Minister also appreciated Hardik Pandya for his final over and Surya Kumar Yadav for his catch of Miller. He also talked highly of Jasprit Bumrah's contribution, who led the bowling attack from the Indian side. In fact, the Prime Minister also thanked Rahul Dravid for his contribution to the Indian cricket team. So the Prime Minister dialing the men in blue himself. Let's show you the reaction from the Prime Minister once again.
टीम इंडिया को इस भव्य विजय के लिए सभी देशवासियों की तरफ से बहुत बहुत बधाई। आज 140 करोड़ देशवासी आपके इस शानदार प्रदर्शन के लिए गर्व अनुभव कर रहे हैं। खेल के मैदान में आपने वर्ल्ड कप जीता, लेकिन हिंदुस्तान के हर गांव, गली, मोहल्ले में आपने कोटि कोटि देशवासियों का दिल जीत लिया। और ये टूर्नामेंट एक विशेष कारण से भी याद रखी जाएगी। इतने सारे देश, इतनी सारी टीमें और एक भी मैच हारना नहीं, ये छोटी उपलब्धि नहीं है। आपने क्रिकेट जगत के हर महारथी, उनके हर बॉल को खेला और आपने शानदार विजय प्राप्त करते रहे। एक के बाद एक विजय की इस परंपरा ने आपके हौसले को तो बुलंद कर दिया, लेकिन इस पूरी टूर्नामेंट को भी रसप्रद बना दिया, रोचक बना दिया। आपने शानदार विजय प्राप्त की है। मेरी तरफ से मैं आपको बहुत बहुत बधाई देता हूं, बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं देता हूं।
And viewers, now joining us on the phone line is Senior Executive Editor Abhishek Kapoor. Abhishek, a very good morning to you. Now, the Prime Minister has dialed the men in blue himself this morning after this reaction he gave earlier on the, ecstatic, thrilling win of India last night, the cup that's come back home after 17 years of a long wait, and 11 years after which we're getting a trophy of the ICC. First of all, were you able to catch the match last night?
Well, the Prime Minister, in fact, was working from his office when he caught some glimpses of the last moments of the match, and immediately he released a statement, and later he has spoken to all the team members together, and he has congratulated each one of them for their respective roles. So be it the catch of Surya Kumar Yadav, which effectively turned the direction of the game towards the fag end or in the penultimate over, or Virat Kohli and Rohit Sharma for their contributions, not just in this particular match, but the entire tournament, and given the fact that both have announced retirement from T20 format of the game for their respective contributions to the sporting to the sport itself. And then, of course, Rahul Dravid, because in his case also this happens to be the last match as the coach of India, because there is already a transition taking place from Rahul Dravid to Gautam Gambhir, most likely in that post. So I think a Prime Minister there joining in the rest of the country with the kind of excitement that has swept through the nation from north to south and east to west. So we saw the kind of celebrations taking place, Kriti, through this across the country and in the streets and everywhere. I think Prime Minister just can't not be part of those celebrations, and so taking the opportunity. He's done that earlier in the case of our hockey team also, and other contingents with a lot of focus of his government on promoting the sports. And now he has done that with our cricketing heroes for bringing the World Cup back after 11 years.
Oh, well, absolutely. Prime Minister, they're leading the congratulatory messages from the front. But thanks for joining us for now, Abhishek, and giving us your insights on the match last night. In fact, now let's move on, viewers. We're now joined in by my colleague, Amardeep, who's live from Jaipur. Amardeep, very good morning to you once again. We just spoke to you with the young budding cricketers a few hours ago. Where are you exactly right now? Take us through the mood on the ground.